A lecture on women's orgasm could cover a variety of topics related to the biological, psychological, and social aspects of female sexual pleasure. Here's an outline of what such a lecture might address. 1. Introduction to sexual orgasm. Definition of orgasm. A complex physiological and psychological response to sexual stimulation, often involving pleasurable sensations and release of tension. Difference between men and women's orgasm experiences. 2. Anatomy and physiology of the female orgasm. Key anatomical structures involved: the clitoris, vulva, vagina, cervix, and G-spot. The role of the nervous system in orgasm. How stimulation in erogenous zones sends signals to the brain. Differences in intensity, duration, and frequency of orgasms for different women. 3. Psychological and emotional factors. The influence of mental and emotional states on sexual pleasure. Factors like stress, body image, and relationship dynamics can impact orgasm. The connection between intimacy, trust, and arousal. 4. Types of orgasm. Clitoral orgasm. The most common form of orgasm for many women, stemming from direct or indirect stimulation of the clitoris. Vaginal orgasm. Less commonly achieved through penetration alone. It involves the deeper vaginal and cervical areas. Mixed orgasms, combining clitoral and vaginal sensations. G-spot orgasm. Thought to be stimulated by the G-spot located on the front wall of the vagina, leading to deeper sensations. Other types like A-spot and U-spot orgasms, which are less discussed but researched in sexual health contexts. 5. Orgasm variability. Why some women experience difficulty reaching orgasm. Factors such as hormonal changes, age, health conditions, e.g., endometriosis, pelvic floor dysfunction, or lack of sexual education. The impact of relationship factors, communication, sexual compatibility, and partner attentiveness. Orgasmic diversity. How some women may experience orgasms in different ways, and some might not experience them at all, which is normal. 6. Cultural and societal influences. Cultural attitudes toward female sexuality and orgasm. The societal pressures on women to achieve orgasm, and the stigmatization of not doing so. Media portrayals of female orgasm versus real-life experiences. The role of education and self-awareness in sexual empowerment. 7. Common myths and misconceptions. The myth that all women should orgasm during sex. The misconception that orgasm is the ultimate goal of sexual experiences. The idea that there is a correct way for women to orgasm. 8. Improving orgasmic experiences. Communication between partners. Discussing preferences, boundaries, and desires. Exploring different sexual techniques or positions to enhance pleasure. The importance of foreplay and emotional connection. The role of masturbation in understanding one's own body and pleasure. 9. When to seek help. If a woman is experiencing difficulty or pain during sex, or if orgasm seems unattainable, it might be helpful to seek medical or therapeutic support. Potential treatments for conditions affecting orgasm, such as pelvic floor therapy, counseling, or medication. Conclusion. The orgasm is a deeply individual experience, with no one-size-fits-all approach. Understanding the complexities of female sexuality can lead to more fulfilling sexual experiences and better communication between partners.